What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Toyota vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR1632. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom near where we just pulled that emergency key out of, we see this slot right here. And if you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this key. What we want to do is stick the key in that slot, and then we're going to twist it like this, like we're opening a lock. So put the emergency key in that slot, make sure you have it all the way pushed in, and then twist. And as you do that, it'll pop the shell apart. Once we get the back cover off, we can see our battery right here. And you can use your key to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. Go ahead and snap that into place. And then make sure that your circuit board is sitting in that rubber piece, and if any of your buttons moved as you took it apart, make sure that stuff's all sitting back where it needs to be. And then you can snap the two halves of the shell back together, put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.